In today's video, I'll show you Lucidchart keyboard shortcuts cheat sheet. Save time like a pro. So let's get started. So first of all, once you're here in the Lucidchart or flowchart right here, as they may call it, is that you want to press the F1 key on your keyboard. And then it would now bring up the shortcuts list or cheat sheet right here. If you can't press F1 for some reason, then you can click here on help and then click on keyboard shortcuts and same thing. Basically from here, you just need to use the shortcuts to save time in doing your commands or features right here in Lucidchart. So my favorites right here are the tools, text, as they are repeated a lot of times when you are working here in the Lucidchart. And then you also have the navigation and objects. So these four are what I use the most. So I suggest that you get yourself familiarized or memorized with the shortcuts right here so that you can easily work on Lucidchart and save time. So let's try out a couple of them. For example, is the duplicate object. So now, instead of right-clicking on your element right here or your object and clicking here on duplicate, we can now just simply select the object and click or press the Ctrl+D button, which is the shortcut right here. And basically we can do this again and again right here without any stress. As you can see right there, they're a lot, especially useful when you are doing a lot of this repeatedly in bulk. So yeah. And then we also have some other things right here. So for example, the undo and redo button. So instead of clicking them right here individually, where you could just go and press Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y to redo what you did or undo, then it is very simple compared to when you just have to drag your mouse in here into the very top left. Then you would have to do this right here. So it would be easier if you go for keyboard shortcuts instead right here. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to save time by using the keyboard shortcut cheat sheet in Lucidchart. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.